Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2279 indicates an issue within the intake air system, specifically pointing to a potential leak in the air management system that could disrupt engine performance. The intake air system is crucial for maintaining the proper air-fuel mixture necessary for efficient combustion. When there's a leak, it can cause an imbalance in this mixture, leading to increased emissions and reduced fuel economy. This code may also appear alongside other diagnostic trouble codes, notably P0443, which is related to the evaporative emission control system. Before proceeding with diagnostics, it's necessary to record all relevant freeze frame data and any onboard snapshots. This data is instrumental in pinpointing the problem. Knowledge of the vehicle's specifics, maintenance history, and previous DTCs is also essential as it can guide the troubleshooting process. The intake air system manages the flow of air entering the engine, playing a vital role in combustion efficiency. Critical components affected by a potential leak include the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV valve, PCV hose, purge line, throttle body, intake manifold, and brake booster hose. The PCV valve regulates the flow of gases from the crankcase to the intake manifold, while the PCV hose connects these two systems. The throttle body regulates air intake based on accelerator pedal position, and the intake manifold distributes air to the engine cylinders. Additionally, any leaks in the brake booster hose could lead to significant performance issues. These components are typically located in the engine compartment, making them accessible for inspection during troubleshooting. The most common cause of DTC P2279 is vacuum leaks in the components responsible for air management in the engine. Conditions such as cracked or disconnected hoses and malfunctioning valves can lead to these leaks, significantly affecting engine performance. The integrity of the PCV system is particularly crucial, as any issues here can lead to excess air entering the intake system unknowingly. More complex causes could involve improper engine or camshaft timing, especially in the J35Z2 and J35Z3 engine variants used in the Honda Accord. Each of these factors contributes to the overall performance of the engine, meaning that any malfunction can impact efficiency and emissions. When DTC P2279 is triggered, symptoms can manifest as poor engine performance, which may be noticeable during acceleration or when idling. Drivers might experience rough engine idling, where the engine seems to struggle to maintain a consistent RPM. This roughness can lead to vibrations felt throughout the vehicle, creating an uncomfortable driving experience. Additionally, the presence of a leak in the intake air system can contribute to elevated emissions, which may be detected during an emissions test. Fuel economy may also deteriorate as the engine compensates for the imbalance caused by the intake leak, leading to higher operating costs for the vehicle owner. The initial step in troubleshooting DTC P2279 involves a thorough inspection for vacuum leaks throughout the intake air system. Specific components to inspect include the PCV valve and hose, which are essential for normal engine respiration. The purge line should also be examined, as a failure here can lead to a significant input of uncontrolled air into the system. Attention must also be paid to the throttle body and intake manifold, where leaks might occur due to seals or gaskets deteriorating over time. Lastly, the brake booster hose should be checked, as a leak in this component can adversely affect brake performance as well as engine stability. If any parts are found to be damaged, they should be repaired or replaced before proceeding with further diagnostic steps. After confirming that there are no vacuum leaks, Start the engine and hold the RPM at 3000 without load, which means the automatic transmission should be in park or neutral, and the manual transmission should be in neutral. This process allows the system to stabilize and mimic a higher demand scenario without additional load, providing accurate diagnostic feedback. The aim is to reach this RPM until the radiator fan activates, indicating a certain temperature has been reached. Afterward, let the engine idle for 1 minute to allow the onboard diagnostic system to evaluate performance conditions accurately. This step is crucial as it prepares the car systems for monitoring codes and ensures that the computer registers any ongoing issues appropriately. Next, monitor the onboard diagnostics OBD system status using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The HDS will provide real-time information about the health of the vehicle systems, including the status of DTC P2279. If the HDS indicates a failed status, it's essential to check the camshaft timing, especially for the J35Z2 and J35Z3 engine variants, as improper timing can lead to further engine performance issues. If the HDS shows passed, this implies that there are currently no failures detected. However, if the status shows executing, it's necessary to continue idling until a conclusive result is displayed. If the status indicates out of condition or not completed, return to Step 2 and repeat the RPM hold procedure to ensure comprehensive diagnostics. Once all previous steps have been performed, the next procedure involves resetting the engine control module or powertrain control module, ECM/PCM, using the HDS. This reset is crucial for clearing any stored error codes that could affect the vehicle's operation after repairs are made. It's important to reinitialize any learned engine parameters to ensure the vehicle operates smoothly going forward. After a reset, the system is brought back to a baseline state, which allows it to accurately reload and evaluate new data. Clearing stored DTCs can also help in identifying future issues without the interference of residual codes. Proper reset procedures are critical for keeping the engine running efficiently after repairs. The fifth step requires performing the ECM/PCM idle learn procedure, which is vital for recalibrating the engine's idle speed settings. This procedure allows adjustments to be made based on newly cleared DTCs and any changes made during previous troubleshooting steps. Properly learning the idle enhances engine efficiency and helps prevent future issues related to idling. The vehicle must be observed during this process to ensure that it achieves a smooth idle under various conditions, as any irregularities could point towards persistent DTCs or unnoticed vacuum leaks. This step ensures that the control module properly learns the engine's behavior, which is beneficial for long-term operational stability. Following the idle learn procedure, the next critical action is to check for any pending or confirmed diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the HDS. This step is important to verify whether DTC P2279 is still indicated after the troubleshooting steps. Verifying the status of DTC P2279 allows you to determine if further inspection for leaks is necessary or if the problem has been resolved. If DTC P2279 reappears, return to Step 1 to reassess all potential vacuum leaks. Conversely, if no codes are present, it indicates a successful resolution to the initial problem, ensuring the intake air system is now functioning properly. The final troubleshooting step is to once again monitor the OBD status through the HDS. At this stage, it's crucial to verify whether the system indicates passed. If so, it confirms that the previous actions effectively address the issue, and troubleshooting for DTC P2279 is complete. If the HDS indicates failed, Return to Step 1 to examine the intake air system for leaks and ensure all components remain intact. Should the status indicate executing, out of condition, or not completed, keep the engine idling until the HDS can provide a conclusive result. Understanding the status provided by the HDS allows for an informed decision on the next steps in the diagnostic process. After completing all the troubleshooting steps, it's essential to perform a final verification of the repairs conducted. This involves confirming that the identified issues were adequately addressed, such as repairs to any vacuum leaks or component replacements. Ensure that all diagnostic codes have been cleared from the system using the HDS, as lingering codes may indicate unresolved issues. Following this, a test drive should be performed to validate the repairs and observe vehicle performance under normal operating conditions. During the test drive, pay close attention to engine behavior, idling quality, and overall responsiveness. If the vehicle operates smoothly without returning to DTC P2279 or other codes, it indicates that the repair process was successful. To prevent recurrences of DTC P2279, implementing routine maintenance inspections on the intake air system is advisable. Regular checks can help identify any deterioration in vacuum hoses and components, allowing for timely replacements. Additionally, the PCV system should be inspected periodically to ensure it's functioning correctly, as this system is critical in keeping the engine's air-fuel mixture balanced. Look for signs of wear or damage to hoses and replace them as necessary to maintain optimal engine performance. Preventive maintenance not only enhances vehicle reliability, but also ensures better fuel efficiency and lower emissions, contributing to an environmentally friendly operation. In conclusion, the DTC P2279 indicates a significant issue within the intake air system that can have serious implications for vehicle performance. The troubleshooting process is crucial for identifying and rectifying any vacuum leaks that may be present. Proper diagnostics help ensure that all potential issues are carefully examined and addressed accordingly. Performing a final verification of repairs guarantees that the vehicle is operating optimally before resuming regular use. Moreover, implementing a routine maintenance schedule is essential for preventing future occurrences of this code. By being proactive, drivers can maintain their vehicle's efficiency and ensure a long-lasting, issue-free ownership experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.